Hey, what's up, y'all? What up, what up, what up? Give us some more light in here. Hey, y'all. Thanks for stopping in on this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. This is DJ Gabriel. Thanks for stopping in. What up? I got the cool Skull Cup right there. What's up? You know what's up. That means killer cup, killer mix. About to throw down. Right there. Also got the smart water. Don't do a mix without the smart water. Thanks for stopping in on this beautiful Sunday. For all the mothers out there, you know what's up. Nice day to get out. If you're inside, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna do Country Throwdown. It's one of my favorite live mixes I've done. And, it's full of all the hits, remixes, and classics that are out right now. Classics that are out. Classics plus all the good hits that are out right now. We'll throw down here in a few. One more second. Let me do this real quick. Hope y'all doing good. Hope everybody's safe. Safe and I hope you're wearing your mask. If not, whatever. But you know, I've noticed a lot of people not wearing masks. No big deal. But there are still some people wearing masks and gloves, which is cool. Some states. I hope you're safe. That's what matters. And so I told a lie. Darling, I feel like I am falling. I think I'm in whatever it is they call me. I'm talking about love. All right, this is it. So as soon as you do an edit real quick on that screen, we'll get ready to roll here in a second.
Yeah, I'm like, girl, what you doing for today? I'm thinking maybe me and you should go and run away. And now I don't believe in love at first sight, but after seeing you, baby, maybe I might. Cause when you walk by, I knew you were my type. The apple of my eye, flyer than a kite. Okay, alright, I know that was kinda corny, but I'm just warming up. Look at you, all dolled up. Look at me, getting caught up. Going down, yeah, shout up. Hopefully you got a number I can call up. And if you do, girl, that'd be super. These chicks hot, but you're so much cooler. And I was hoping she would give me a chance. She walked by and didn't give me a glance, damn.
Like, ooh, baby, I'm so amazed by everything that you do. So I told her like, ooh, darling, I feel like I am falling. I think I'm in whatever it is they call me. I'm talking about love.
All right, y'all ready for this? Hey, if you're from Mixcloud, drop a comment down and let me know where you're from. If you're from Facebook, what's up? Welcome back. I'm doing, if you're from Instagram, what up? Thanks for stopping by. How you like that pre-show mix? It's pretty dope. Something I threw together. You know, just keep a cool vibe going during these times anyway, especially with this, with all this corona and stuff. Hopefully music unites people, and I think it has with all the Instagram live and all the streams. and we'll keep this going. So I'm DJ Gabriel. Let's go. Doing a country mix throwdown today. Oh, that's D right there. I'm gonna just let that ride. Oh, I got camera two. I got 2 cameras here. What's up? Say what's up to Mario. Say what's up to Mario. He's always cool right there. Oh, Mario. He's my mixing. He holds down the left side of my mixing board right here. So he might throw a scratch in every once in a while.
Tryna find my God these days. I pray to God we all be here. I just been on my Hollywood.